Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create folder and how to delete folder using command line on Windows 11 or 10. Let's get started. Open your terminal by using CMD or command prompt, okay? And open it and then type PowerShell, okay? Where I am right now, print working directory. You can check where you are. And let's change it to desktop by using cd and desktop, okay? And I'm creating a folder on my desktop by using mkdir, make directory test, enter. As you can see, I created this folder. And now I will show you how you can delete this folder by using command line. It's very easy by using delete, okay, and space the name of the folder and enter. As you can see, the folder list has been deleted successfully. So guys, that's how you can create folder and how you can delete the folder using PowerShell command. So yeah, that's it. I hope you will like it. If you like the video, please do subscribe my channel and share with your friends. See you in the next video.